How to see Facebook story without them knowing. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can see Facebook story without them knowing. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up Facebook application. So as of the latest update, Facebook does not have an official way to view someone's story without them knowing. But there are some other few workarounds and tricks that may work for you. The first one is have swipe trick. It'll work only on your mobile device. For that, you have to open up the Facebook application. Navigate to the story section, then you have to go and open up the story of that account next to the account that you want to view the story from. So, for example, I want to view the story from this first account on my story section, but you have to go and open up the story from the second account. So once you have this, you have to slowly swipe the story to your right with the help of your fingertip without releasing. So as you can see here, now just take a peek of that story. Do not release your finger. As you can clearly see the story, now you have to return back to the same story without releasing your finger. Now you can release your finger. If you go back, the person will not notify, or the person will not know that you have viewed their story. And this trick will work best on the image story but will not work for the video. So in that case, what you can do is you can create a secondary account and view the story from your secondary account if that works out for you. That's it. That's how you can see your Facebook story without them knowing. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.